Hey everyone, and welcome to or back to my channel. Today I'm back with a spring reset. I'm basically just gonna be prepping for spring, getting my life together, doing some things to just kind of get in the spring mood. I hope you guys enjoy it. Definitely give this a big thumbs up and comment below something you like to do to get ready for spring, get ready for a new season. Let's just get into it. The first thing I want to do is just to kind of reset my physical space and kind of pick up and clean my apartment. I know I just posted an entire cleaning vlog. Since filming that, my apartment is already messy. It's clean, it's just like a bit messy. Like I just kind of have stuff everywhere. I really just need to pick it up more so than like deep clean. I just kind of need to pick up some clutter that's out. I also need to clean my car. I'm just gonna kind of reset my physical space. That is the first step of the spring reset. Let's just get to cleaning. It's a little bit later. My apartment is looking so clean. I still need to do my car. I just need to kind of like vacuum the inside, wipe it down. It's a little bit dusty. Ready for the warmer weather. I have everything I need for spring and summer in this FabFitFun box. Let's do a little unboxing of this FabFitFun Summer 2025 box. I'm actually partnering with FabFitFun on this video, so thank you so much to FabFitFun for sponsoring. They have so many great things for their summer box. I was going on their website and kind of picking out everything for my box. It was really just getting me in the spring and summer mood. Everything was really fun colors, like beach bags, sunglasses. I was just getting so excited for summertime. If you guys aren't familiar with FabFitFun, it is a lifestyle subscription box that is completely customizable where you get 6 full-size products per season, so 4 times a year. And the best part is that you get to choose the products that go into the box. Each box is valued up to $350. Since I'm picking out the products, I know I'm gonna like everything. They have so many of my favorite brands like Prada, Glossier, Summer Fridays, Coach. As a FabFitFun member, I get access to their amazing flash sales, which is up to 70% off. The average member saves up to $500 in their first season. Before I show you what's in my box, I have a really special offer to share with you guys. You can save on a membership with my code. Actually, I have 2 different codes for 2 different membership options. The first one is seasonal, which is billed every 3 months, and annual, which is billed up front for the whole year. If you're interested in the annual membership, you can use code EmilyGift to get a free gift valued over $200 with a new annual membership. I'm an annual member and I absolutely love it because you get first dibs at choosing the products for your box. You also get earlier shipping and first access to the flash sales. I definitely recommend the annual membership because you definitely get the most out of your membership. If you want to sign up for the seasonal membership, which is still a really great deal, use code Emily for 20% off your first box. Each season's box has a value up to $350. When you use my code, your first box is only $55.99. One of the 6 products pretty much pays for the entire box. Let's unbox. I picked out so many great things. First up is this deep huffing mask. This is from Skincare Tools. It retails for $60. Here is what it looks like. I'm so excited to try this out. I feel like this will be really nice. I get super bad migraines, so I feel like it'll be nice for that. You can use this chilled or heated, it says. It's supposed to help rejuvenate your skin. It says if you use it chilled, it'll depuff, reduce redness, and refresh your skin. If you use it heated, it will open pores, stimulate circulation, and it's deeply soothing. It looks like this. It's like really soft on the inside. I'm really excited about this. I always see these kind of masks on TikTok, and this alone would be $60. Basically, this alone paid for the box, and then everything else is like a bonus. One of the other options was a sunglass holder. There was a Bumble and Bumble texturizing wave spray, a lemongrass breeze candle, which sounded really nice. There were like lots of other good options in this category. I mean, the skincare mask, how could you not get that? Next is this Glow Recipe Retinol Serum. I've been really wanting a retinol because I don't really have any products with retinol. I am in my upper 20s, so I could definitely use some retinol in my skincare routine. I've been really wanting to try some products from Glow Recipe. So I was actually gonna pick up this or something similar during the Sephora sale. Getting it in the FabFitFun box was just like really nice. This is $48. There were so many other good options in this category. There's also a really cute beach bag, a really cute beach towel, which is just giving the summer vibe. Also some really cute sunglasses, but I really just could not pass this up. I've been really wanting a retinol. Next, I'm really excited about these. These really cute aesthetic dipples. This is the brand In the Roundhouse. These retail for $50. They're so cute. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. And it's a set of 4. It would be so cute for dip like guac or pico or something like that. I actually don't have any little bowls like this. I feel like I could definitely use this in my kitchen. Next is this Olaplex dry shampoo. Anything from Olaplex I'm just obsessed with, so I've never tried their dry shampoo, so I thought this would be great to try out. This is the Clean Volume Detox Dry Shampoo. This retails for $30. Next is the sunscreen. I actually really could use a good sunscreen, so I thought this would just be a good essential. This is from the brand Basque, just like this SPF 30 sunscreen. This retails for $22. This is just a good essential for the summertime. Also, how cute is the packaging? I feel like the packaging is just so cute. In this category, you can also get a Dr. Jart face mask, an eye serum. Lastly is this hair clip. This literally matches my outfit, so I might have to clip my hair back after this. This little hair clip is so cute. This is from the brand Fraser Sterling. This retails for $24. There were some Kosas makeup products, the concealer, an eye palette, First Aid Beauty deodorant, lots of like really good skincare products. They were all kind of things that I already had. So I just went with this hair clip and I think it's so cute. I love this color, obviously. This is exactly what I needed for spring and summer. I can't wait to use all these products. If you want to box your own, definitely make sure to use my code. I'm gonna have it here on the screen. I'm also gonna have FabFitFun linked below in my description. You can just click that link and sign up for a membership. Love when I get a FabFitFun box. It's just full of fun goodies for the season. I definitely recommend checking it out. Now that my physical space is reset, it's time for the fun part, which is a glow up. Starting with my hair, I have a hair appointment booked today. I haven't got my hair cut in over 6 months, so it's just like really out of shape. I feel like it hasn't been styling very good. Any face framing layers I have are completely grown out. I'm just gonna feel like a whole new person once I get my hair cut. It's just not feeling and looking like how I want it to feel. And look, here are my inspo pics. Kind of like a 90s blowout. If you just look up like a 90s haircut or 90s blowout, like you can find some pictures like this. I've been going to the same person for so long, she kind of already knows what I want. I don't really even need to like show her a picture. So I just kind of ask for long face framing layers. The spring and summer is a great time to kind of do things to kind of glow up. I also really want to dye my eyebrows. My eyebrows are literally blonde and I feel like it'd be so nice if they were just brown and I could just like put some brow gel on them. This is before. I'll show you guys what it looks like after. Let's go. Here is my hair. It literally looks so much better. I love the layers. Like my bangs look so good. It just feels so much better. I can't wait to style it. I'm literally obsessed. It feels so healthy and she said my hair is really healthy. Also, I'm obsessed with the shirt. I got it from Aritzia. I'll link it below. I asked her about dyeing my brows and she said it would be super easy. She kind of gave me some tips. I think I'm gonna do it. I might actually do it tonight. Get some like beard dye or something. Like I might just get some on my way home. I think I'm just gonna do like a light brown, I think is what she said. It's time to dye my eyebrows. I'm super excited. I can't wait to see what they look like just a little bit darker. As you can see, they're naturally super light. Got this Just for Men beard dye in the shade medium brown. You mix these two, developer and the color. And there's a little tray, which is nice. Thank you, Just for Men. Little tray. I need some Q-tips to wipe off the excess. Cotton rounds, spoolie. I just get these when I get my lashes done, so I'm just gonna use this one. But you could also use this, or I see a lot of people using just the brush that it comes with. Micellar water is the last thing. Here is what they look like. like. Honestly, not like a huge difference, but they definitely look darker. I think they turned out really good, honestly. I probably could have left it on a little bit darker because they are gonna fade. I think they look good. I think I just don't like the shape of my eyebrows. My eyebrows are kind of like a weird shape. Kind of want to brush them up with some brow gel just to see what they would look like. I would definitely do this again. I recommend. Time for some self-tan. I actually just got out of the shower and scrubbed off all of my old self-tan. It was just looking really patchy, especially on my neck. It'll get like really patchy after about a week or so. Now I just have a nice clean base to start with. I have a whole self-tanning video on my channel. I actually have a couple of them. So I'll link my most recent one here if you guys want to check that out and see my whole self-tanning routine. Now I'm just gonna apply the self-tan. Here is the finished self-tan. I look so much more bronzed, glowy. It'll look a lot better once I rinse it off too. I'm just gonna let this sit for a couple hours and then rinse it off. Like a fresh tan always boosts my confidence. I feel like my outfits just look better. My makeup looks better. It's the perfect thing to do with the spring season. Time for my nails and lashes, possibly the best part of this entire vlog. I'm so excited to get my nails done. I went a bit longer between appointments and I can really tell a huge difference. I went a little over the 2 weeks for my lashes and a little over the 3 weeks for my nails. They're looking rough. My lashes are just looking so sparse. For my nails, I think I'm gonna do a pastel butter yellow French tip with chrome. I'm trying to decide if I want to do the chrome or not. Sometimes I kind of like it plain. Obviously the chrome does cost more. It also just looks so pretty. I was looking at Pinterest pictures and I'm kind of leaning towards doing the chrome, especially with Easter coming up. I'm actually on time for once. I'm really proud of myself. Also, I don't know if you guys can tell, I curled my hair differently. Curled some of the pieces towards my face. I saw a TikTok that said for like a really bouncy blowout to curl the pieces towards your face. Maybe I should have been doing this all along because I feel like it actually looks so good. My hair was already styling really good today, so that could be part of it. It looks so good. I also used this new carousel stuff that I got from Sephora. Anyways, it's time for my appointment, so let's go. I'll show you guys what they look like after. Here are the nails. I actually ended up doing something a little bit different than I had originally planned. I ended up doing solid pastel yellow chrome instead of the French. I just really love this. This is like the perfect pastel yellow too. I think it looks really good with the chrome. I have the cutest nails already picked out for next time. Definitely stay tuned. I don't know if I'll show it on YouTube, but I'll definitely show it on TikTok or something, or at least on my Instagram stories. So definitely stay tuned because they're so cute. I also got my lashes filled. They're looking so good, so full, so fresh. Literally feel like a whole new person with the fresh nails, the fresh lashes, the fresh tan, the fresh hair. I feel like the glow up is complete. I feel like I'm just feeling fresh and ready for the spring season. I actually just went and visited my sister in Arkansas and we did a bunch of fun spring things, romanticizing the spring season, just like enjoying the spring season, I guess. It was kind of like a nice little mental reset. I did vlog it, so I'm just gonna show you a couple clips. Last step of the spring reset is getting mentally organized. Kind of just want to make a bucket list and like some goals for the spring season. Not anything too crazy, just kind of like a few fun things that I want to do this spring. Thought I'd share them with you in case you want some inspo for some fun things to do this spring. First is book a summer trip. I definitely want to get something booked like this month. I don't want to wait until it's summer to book a trip for the summer. Start being more active. I feel like I'm very sedentary. I spend a lot of time sitting at my desk. I definitely want to be more active now that the weather is getting warmer. Go for more walks. Try a new latte flavor. I usually make the exact same flavor of latte like every single day. I really want to experiment with like some different flavors, new ways of making lattes, maybe even try making my own syrup. Decorate my patio for the spring and summer. I never put a lot of effort into my patio. I really want to make my patio extra cute this spring and maybe even put some little flowers out there. I really want to make it cute this spring and actually go out there. Do some kind of craft. I was actually just listening to the What We Said podcast, the episode, The Feminine Urge to Try Everything, I think is what it was called. Kinsey Elizabeth was on and they were talking about different hobbies, different crafts, and it really was inspiring me to actually do some hobbies, maybe like scrapbooking, going and doing some pottery painting, find my interior style. This is actually a really big goal because I'm not loving the way my apartment is looking lately. Clean out my closet. That video is going to be coming super soon because I'm definitely going to be doing closet clean out very, very soon. Just kind of going through my pieces, what I'm wearing, what I'm not wearing. Bake or cook a new recipe. I actually love HelloFresh for this. I feel like I found a lot of new recipes, new inspiration on like how to cook and like new things to try. Maybe I'll have to like get a subscription or something. Try a new restaurant or coffee shop in Kansas City. I feel like it's really fun to be a tourist in the place that you live. There's so many places in the place that I live that I haven't been to. I feel like it's really fun to like explore those places. Experiment with film photos. I recently got a film camera and I love it so much. I just take really basic pictures with it. So I'd love to like experiment with trying new film, trying different kinds of film. Go to the farmer's market. This is always such a fun spring and summer activity. And getting some flowers, getting some fresh produce. Post every day on TikTok. That is definitely a goal. I'm trying to be a lot more consistent on Instagram and TikTok and just like with short form content in general. Maybe for like the month of May, I'll try to post every single day. Find a new show to watch. Definitely let me know in the comments what your favorite show is. I just watched Severance and binge watched it. I really liked it. Now I need a new show to watch. So definitely let me know in the comments some suggestions. Make a spring and summer playlist. Also comment below your favorite songs. Like what songs are in your playlist. I don't even know what to add. I basically just listen to podcasts and I need like a fun spring and summer playlist. So please give me your suggestions. Go to an art museum. Sometimes I forget that there's actually a really cool art museum in Kansas City, the Nelson. I never really go, like ever. I think it'd actually be really fun, especially in the spring and summer, just to kind of walk around, look at the art. Those are some of my spring goals and kind of inspo on things to do. Hopefully that gave you some ideas if you're also trying to kind of get some ideas. I feel like it is kind of fun to have a list. Hopefully that gave you some inspo if you're trying to create a summer bucket list. That is actually everything for this video. I really hope you enjoyed and got more in the mood for spring. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you did enjoy, and if you'd like to see more reset videos like this on my channel, comment below something you like to do to just kind of reset and get ready for the new season. Definitely make sure to check out FabFitFun. I'm gonna have my code here on the screen. I also have a link down below in the description. I hope you guys all have an amazing spring. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment this emoji if you stayed until the end of the video, and I will see you in a couple days for my next one. Bye.